Well, New Delhi is unlikely to issue very much more in terms of a statement, compared to what, in addition to what you have just stated. They are looking at the situation very closely. They believe that there is a link, so something over here which impinges on our national security as well. They've taken note of the various inputs which have come in from the United States. These have come up in the course of normal discussions, is what New Delhi has said. But I think in answer to your question, the allegations are very serious. They've come from the attorney in New York. They've come from the US Justice Department. They've come in the form of press releases spelling out in great detail the allegations of a plot whereby an Indian handler apparently engaged an Indian national called Nikhil Gupta, somebody who was apparently tasked with eliminating a Sikh extremist in the United States, Gurpatwant Singh Pannu. He has dual citizenship, as I understand it, of Canada and the United States as well. However, as a result of evidence which the US claims to be having, it appears that they were able to foil this alleged attempt from taking place. They say that in the course of their investigations, this person, Nikhil Gupta, apparently approached certain individuals who were undercover US officials, undercover US officers. And as a result of that, they were able to reach the conclusion that this was, a larger plot, one which allegedly involved India. The fact of the matter is this: in as much as we get into the allegations made by the United States, and they are very strong allegations, India faces a considerable threat from Sikh extremism and the Khalistani movement in Canada and the United States and the United Kingdom as well. And while we read all of these and these allegations, it is important to understand where India is coming from in this entire issue. We've had our High Commissioner and our Consul General High Commissioner in Ottawa in Canada, our Consul General in Toronto have their faces on posters. India felt that they were being targeted. We've had effigies of Indira Gandhi go down Brampton, which is near Toronto in Canada, and where with people highlighting her assassination. That is unacceptable for India. We've had multiple attempts at defacing Indian consulates in the West Coast of the United States. So therefore, there is an established pattern and established trend of Sikh extremism and the Khalistani movement being alive in places like the United States and in Canada. So that is where India comes from. That said, the allegations made by the United States, as you've sort of spelt out, are very serious indeed.